Hello, I'm Henry. I'm going to walk you through my trade today on Solana. So let me set up my chart for you guys. This top level of the charts, we have candlesticks. This mid level here, we have volume profile. And this lower level here in the blue, we have momentum indicator. So we'll zoom in here. Okay, actually we'll zoom out a little bit. Okay. Alright, this purple line that you're seeing here, this purple line is on my charts. This is the Camaria pivot S4. My signal to go short is if a currency pair price moves below S4. This yellow line that you see here, this is not a price line. This just helps me to differentiate normal and high volume activity. So here we have this event is the US Open. We can see there's a lot of transactions, high volatility happening here, and this pulls, or the sellers are able to sell off Solana below S4 here at the open. So when I see this, I take a position on pullback. Take a position on pullback here, and I believe I set my stop right above here. We have an isolated pivot that's right there. Throw a stop up. Take my entry here. This is a little before 9:15 here on the pullback. We can see here it's consolidating. I take another entry here. I'm just entering at small sizes here, seeing if we are going to hold the level here at S4 and move below. Let's see. Here we come back in. We test the level here at S4. It's still not ready. Buyers move the price back up. It's consolidating. I take another entry here around a little before 10:45. Still consolidating, still consolidating. Here and I believe it's 11:43. I stop out of this fourth entry that's right here, and then we can see we get some selling, some aggressive selling here. We can see this spike in volume profile right here, and we can see momentum for the sellers. So I took an entry here while it was breaking down, and it consolidated here at this level, and then broke down here another leg. Then here, this area right here. This is the afternoon, right after lunchtime or lunchtime area in the U.S. market. We can see there's a lot of activity here, a lot of transactions right here. And this was able to, the sellers were able to use this as an opportunity to move the price lower, have a lot of consolidation right here in the middle of this zone where it's taking the price down. And we've kind of consolidated and been flagging here as the rest of the US day has gone on. If we look here, we can see that this is, or the timeline here, this is the crypto market open. That's right here. We've got some volume, but it looks like we're just potentially just taking the price here lower here at the open. We can see the volume profile up here in the afternoon is much higher than it is here at the open, so a lot more activity was happening here, and I'm under the idea that this would potentially be continuation of the activity from the lunchtime and from the open here at the U.S. market. And we'll bring some things into perspective here on the daily, so we can see 2 days ago we were making a rally here, and then yesterday we were it seems like sellers regained control and brought basically nullified the day before. And if we're looking at today, looks like we could potentially sell off, but I'm not certain. I'm still in this position or these positions, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks for taking out my trade today on Solana. See you next time.